Click cell D12. You want to add a comment here, asking for updated sales figures to be entered in the cell. Click the Review tab on the ribbon. In the Comments group, click the New Comment button. Excel inserts an empty comment box next to the selected cell. Type "Please update" in the comment box. Click cell D10. Excel displays the comment as typed and inserts a small red triangle into cell D12. If you hide the comment from view, the red triangle will remain visible, indicating that a comment is attached to the cell.